If you want to improve how your Squarespace website appears in Google, then adding SEO descriptions is one of the easiest and most important things you can do. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add SEO descriptions in Squarespace 7.1, step by step, so you can set a site-wide description and also customize the SEO description for individual pages like your About, Services, or Contact page. This helps search engines better understand your website, and it can also make your content look more relevant when people find you online. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into Squarespace 7.1. First, log in to your Squarespace account and go to your main dashboard panel. This is where all of your website settings and pages are managed. From here, you want to go to Settings, then choose Marketing, and then click SEO Appearance. If you want to move faster, you can also use the /key shortcut and search for SEO settings directly. That can save time if you already know what you're looking for. Once you're inside the SEO Appearance area, make sure you are on the Home tab under the Search Appearance menu. This is important because this section controls your main site-level SEO information. Now scroll down until you find the SEO Site Description field. This is where you'll enter a short summary of your brand, business, or website. Try to keep it clear, relevant, and focused on what your site offers. Think of it as a quick explanation that helps both Google and your visitors understand your website at a glance. After typing your site description, make sure you click Save in the top left corner. That step is important because if you don't save, your changes won't be applied. Now that your main site description is set, let's talk about individual pages. Every page on your website should ideally have its own unique SEO description because different pages serve different purposes. Your About page should describe your story, your Services page should explain what you offer, and your Contact page should help clarify who you are and how people can reach you. To edit a page's SEO description, go to Website and then click Pages from the left sidebar menu. This will open your page list where you can see all the pages on your site. Hover over the specific page you want to update and then click the gear icon to open Page Settings. Inside the Page Settings window, select the SEO tab on the left-hand menu. This section is where Squarespace lets you customize how that individual page appears in search results. Look for the SEO description block and then write a page-specific summary for that page. Make sure the description matches the content on the page and uses wording that feels natural and useful. You do not want to copy the same text to every page, because unique descriptions are better for SEO and better for visitors. Once you're happy with the wording, click Save again to lock in your changes. And that's it, you've now added SEO descriptions in Squarespace 7.1 for both your main site and your individual pages. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference in how your site is presented online. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Squarespace guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.